Hello students, my name is Priyam Singh and today we are going to discuss the answer of exercises and question answer of chapter 1, that is input and output devices. As we had already completed this chapter in two parts whose link given in your Google Classroom app. I hope you all saw these videos. If not, then go and see it first. Now let's start the video. The first exercise of this chapter is fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Here hints are also given. By the help of these hints, you write the answer. Question number 1. The physical parts of a computer are called? Answer is hardware. Question number 2. The dash printer gives very high quality output. Answer is laser. Question number 3. A dash copies the text and pictures directly into the computer. Answer is scanner. Question number 4. Dash devices display the result that we get after processing. Answer is output. Question number 5. A CPU is also known as the dash. Answer is system unit. Now come to the second exercise, that is true or false. Question number 1. A digital camera is used to share pictures and have video telephony on the internet. True. Question number 2. The CPU manages all the jobs of a computer. True. Question number 3. A touchpad is mostly used on the laptop computer. True. Question number 4. A light pen is used only with a LCD monitor. False. Question number 5. The multi-function printer is also known as all-in-one printer. True. Now come to the third exercise of this chapter, that is match the following. Here two columns is given, column A and B. You have to match column A with B. First is mouse is matched with a handheld pointing device. Second, light pen matched with only used with CRT monitor. Third, digital camera matched with transfer photographs into a computer. MU matched with stores information. Speaker, the first one matched with the first one, used to listen to music and sound effects. Now come to the application based questions. Question number 1. Varun wants to buy a thin and light monitor in place of his old CRT monitor. What types of a monitor should Varun buy? Answer is LCD or LED monitor. Question number 2. Smriti has lost her computer notebook in the class and the next day she has to appear for a test. Which device will you suggest her to use so that she can take the photocopy of the chapters from her friend's notebook? Answer is printer. Question number 3. Survi wants to record her voice into the computer. Which device will you suggest her to use? Answer is microphone. Now come to the exercise E, that is multiple choice question. Question number 1. Which output device allows you to hear sound? Answer is B, that is speakers. Question number 2. Which device is used to control the movement of the pointer on laptop computer? Answer is A, that is touchpad. Question number 3. Which device gives the output onto a paper? Answer is A, printer. Question number 4. Which device is used to select the objects by directly touching with fingers? Answer is C, touch screen. Question number 5. How many keys does a standard keyboard has? Answer is B, 104. And last question 6. Who invented the computer mouse? Answer is A, Dr. Engelbart. Now come to answer the following question. Student, I have also uploaded the PDF file of this chapter. By the help of that PDF file, you are able to write the answer, as I am going to discuss the answer with page number also. So, your first question is define the term input device. Name any two. You get this answer in page number 7. The devices through which we enter data or instruction are called input devices. In keyboard and mouse are the two examples of input devices. Question number 2. What is a printer? Name the types of printer. You get this answer in page number 9. Printer is an important part of a computer system. It prints the output onto a paper. The printed copy is called hard copy. There are 3 types of printer. First, dot matrix printer. Second, inkjet printers. Third, laser printers. Now come to question number 3. What is the use of light pen? You get this answer in page number 8. A light pen is a pen-like pointing device. It is used to select objects on the display screen. It is quite similar to a mouse and allows the user to point the objects displayed on the screen or draw directly on it. It is only used with CRT monitor. Now come to question number 4. What is the use of CPU? Name its part. You get this answer in page number 10. CPU, in bracket you write central processing unit, is the brain of a computer where it processes and stores the information, perform calculation and sends the result to the output devices. It performs all the jobs that we ordered it to do. It is also known as system unit. The CPU has mainly 3 parts. Point 1 MU, in bracket you write memory unit. Point 2 ALU, in bracket you write arithmetic and logical unit. Point 3 CU, in bracket you write control unit. Now come to question number 5. Differentiate between the hard copy and soft copy. You get this answer in page number 9. The output that we get onto a paper is called the hard copy, and the output that we get on a monitor is called the soft copy. Now come to question number 6. What do you understand by a monitor? Name the types of monitors. You get this answer in page number 9. The monitor is the most common output device. It looks like a television. There are 3 types of monitor: CRT monitor, LCD monitor and LED monitor. Now come to question number 7, which is the last question of this chapter. Why do you use the following devices? Answer briefly. A. Microphone. You get this answer in page number 7. Microphone is an input device which is used to record voice, music, sound and sound into the computer system. B. Digital camera. You get this answer in page number 8. A digital camera is also an input device used to take photographs and record videos. Third is printer. Printer is an important part of a computer system. It is a output device used to print the output onto paper. Here we complete this chapter. You have to write this chapter, you have to write this thing, the exercises and question answer in your rough copy. If you have fair copy, you may write in a good handwriting.